If you want to enhance your account security by removing old devices from your Steam security settings, follow these simple steps. This guide will help you manage your devices effectively. Step 1. Log into your Steam account. Open the Steam application or website and enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to Account Details. Once loaded in, click on your profile name at the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Account Details to access your account settings. Step 3. Access Security Settings. In the Account Details section, look for the Manage Steam Guard option. Click on it to open your security settings related to Steam Guard. Step 4. Review Authorized Devices. Within the Steam Guard settings, you will see a list of devices that are authorized to access your account. Take a moment to review this list and identify any old or unused devices. Step 5. Remove old devices. Select the old devices you wish to remove and follow the prompts to deauthorize them. Confirm your choice to ensure they are no longer linked to your account. By following these steps, you can easily manage and remove old devices from your Steam security settings, keeping your account secure. Regularly reviewing your authorized devices is a good practice for maintaining your account safety.